Alright, man, back at Stevenson Park. It's Father's Day. I brought my other board here. Let's see. Let's get some. Just gonna mess around a little bit. Again, it's Father's Day. Want to get some time. Mainly, I just wanted to try my new board, man. Well, not my new board. It's my old board. It's my cruiser board, 9-inch. I put smaller wheels on it. These are 56 millimeter, 87A OJs, plain Janes. I love this wheel. Soft. Anyway, we're gonna try it out with the smaller wheels, see if it feels more stable. And yeah, I love it with the cruiser, but let's try, see if we can't do some tricks with it. All right, that's it, man. You can come cruise around, check it out. I'm liking this board a lot.